Welcome to Mass Production Marvels, where we explore the fascinating world of automated production lines, turning traditional ingredients into modern industrial goods. Deep within the heart of nature lies the GAC fruit, a vibrant powerhouse of nutrients waiting to be transformed by technology. Farmers carefully select the finest fruits, ensuring that only the most mature specimens begin this incredible journey toward high industrial processing. The cleaning process is intense, utilizing high-pressure water jets to remove every impurity, guaranteeing the highest standard of raw material hygiene. Advanced robotic arms execute precise incisions, splitting the tough outer shell to expose the nutrient-rich, deep red pulp hidden deep inside. Centrifugal force drives the mechanical separators, efficiently isolating the prized red arils from the inedible seeds and thick, fibrous fruit structures. The vibrant pulp flows through sterile pipes, creating a mesmerizing visual representation of nature meeting the demands of modern food engineering. Human oversight remains essential as technicians monitor complex data streams, ensuring every part of the extraction process maintains perfect operational efficiency. Powerful hydraulic presses apply steady force, carefully extracting the precious oil while preserving the delicate nutritional profile of the original fruit. Nanotechnology filters refine the oil, removing microscopic impurities to achieve a level of purity that meets international standards for quality food. High-speed rotary machines perform the bottling process, sealing each container with absolute precision to prevent oxidation and maintain long-term freshness. Robotic labelers apply branding with mechanical accuracy, ensuring every bottle is correctly identified before entering the final stage of quality control. Optical sensors scan every single bottle, immediately identifying and removing any unit that fails to meet our rigorous quality control benchmarks. Automated packing systems organize the finished goods, preparing them for distribution to markets that demand the highest quality natural supplements today. Now we transition our focus to the culinary branch, where traditional sticky rice is transformed using large-scale industrial cooking equipment setups. Premium glutinous rice is washed thoroughly in massive stainless steel vats, ensuring the grains are perfectly prepared for the steaming process. Each grain is inspected for quality, as the foundation of great sticky rice relies on the purity of the raw ingredients. In this mixing chamber, the vibrant GAC pulp is folded into the rice, coating every single grain in a rich, natural pigment. The colored rice mixture moves along a conveyor belt, entering a massive industrial steamer designed for consistent, even heat distribution throughout. Intense steam permeates the rice, softening the grains while locking in the essential flavor and the healthy properties of the fruit. As the steaming cycle concludes, the doors open to reveal perfectly cooked sticky rice, ready for immediate processing and final packaging. Precision robotic arms scoop the hot rice into individual containers, maintaining exact portion sizes that ensure consistency for every single customer. Vacuum sealing technology removes the air, creating a sterile environment that preserves the freshness and texture of the rice for longer. The sealed packages move through a cryogenic freezing tunnel, rapidly dropping the temperature to lock in the nutritional value and texture. Thermal sensors verify the deep freeze state, ensuring each product is frozen to the core before it reaches the final storage area. Autonomous robots navigate the cold storage warehouse, stacking the frozen packages with extreme efficiency and minimizing the need for human labor. The warehouse management system tracks every single unit in real time, optimizing inventory levels and ensuring rapid order fulfillment for global demand. Electric trucks arrive at the loading docks, ready to transport these high-quality products to distribution centers across the entire regional network. At the final distribution hub, the next generation of delivery drones wait patiently for their scheduled missions to begin right now. Drones take to the skies, utilizing advanced GPS navigation to deliver fresh, high-quality products directly to the doorsteps of our customers. Flying above the urban landscape, these aerial vehicles bypass traffic congestion, providing a rapid delivery service that was previously only imagined. The drone lands with pinpoint accuracy on the customer's balcony, completing the final leg of the supply chain with incredible autonomous precision. The customer retrieves their order, enjoying the convenience of a traditional meal delivered with the efficiency of modern, high-tech distribution systems. This seamless journey from the farm to the consumer highlights the powerful synergy between traditional agricultural products and modern industrial processing. Every cog, every sensor, and every automated line works in perfect harmony, reflecting the sheer brilliance of modern engineering and manufacturing. Our engineers constantly innovate, refining the production processes to increase sustainability, reduce waste, and improve the quality of our final products. In the laboratory, we verify the nutritional integrity of every batch, ensuring that the health benefits of GAC are fully preserved throughout. We prioritize environmental responsibility by implementing advanced water filtration systems, ensuring that our large-scale operations remain sustainable and safe for nature. Intuitive digital interfaces allow our staff to control complex machinery with simple touch gestures, empowering them to manage the entire factory. The sterile environment of our production facility is maintained through rigorous cleaning protocols, ensuring that safety is always our top priority. Precision is embedded in every action, from the smallest label placement to the massive movement of crates across the factory floor. Automated weighing scales verify the contents of every package, ensuring that customers receive exactly what they paid for every single time. Indicator lights provide real-time status updates, allowing our teams to react instantly to any changes in the production cycle's performance metrics. Selection of ingredients is paramount, as we only choose the highest quality grains to provide the perfect base for our products. The natural pigments from the GAC fruit infuse the rice, creating an appealing and healthy dish that is both nutritious and beautiful. Steaming is a delicate art that we have scaled up, preserving the authentic taste while utilizing the power of industrial technology systems. Efficient capping machines secure the containers, ensuring that the product remains fresh and protected until it reaches the consumer's dining table. Rapid cooling tunnels are essential for maintaining food safety, quickly lowering the temperature to prevent any bacterial growth after the cooking. Palletizing robots arrange the finished products with geometric precision, creating stable stacks that are ready for transport to our regional centers. Autonomous guided vehicles navigate the warehouse aisles, transporting goods between zones without any human intervention, maximizing the safety of the facility. Our intelligent warehouse management software provides constant updates, allowing us to predict demand and adjust production schedules with incredible speed today. The drone fleet launches in sequence, creating a coordinated aerial logistics network that delivers products to customers with unprecedented speed and reliability. Flying over the countryside, these drones represent the bridge between the traditional origin of our food and the modern delivery methods. The delivery is completed at the customer's location, demonstrating how modern logistics can simplify the process of accessing healthy, nutritious food daily. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of our mission, and seeing the joy of receiving fresh food makes every effort worthwhile here. Both the oil and rice production lines operate with equal efficiency, proving that diverse products can be manufactured under one roof system. Advanced robotics allow us to maintain high levels of output while ensuring that the quality remains consistent across every batch produced here. Software engineers work behind the scenes to optimize the factory algorithms, constantly improving the flow and reducing energy consumption for us. At night, the factory continues its operations, with automated systems working tirelessly to meet the global demand for these natural products. From the raw fruit to the final refined product, we have bridged the gap between nature's bounty and modern industrial food processing. Logistics are managed with the same care as production, ensuring that the goods reach their destination in perfect condition every single time. The speed of our conveyor systems is breathtaking, showcasing how technology has revolutionized the traditional food production methods we rely on today. Maintaining the perfect environmental conditions is critical, so we use sensors to monitor every single variable in our large storage facility. Even the cleaning is automated, with specialized robots maintaining the hygiene of our facility to meet the strictest food safety standards available.
We start with the black sticky rice
purity of the
molded
oil
tightly,
is a testament
then
to
arrange
our
the
extraction
freshest mango
process,
slices
which
before
focuses
the
on
final
preserving
pour
the
of
natural
coconut
integrity of the
reduction.
fruit. Our products are not just industrial goods. They are the foundation for delicious meals that bring people together at the dining table. Aerial delivery routes are mapped for maximum efficiency, allowing our drones to cross natural barriers and reach customers in record time today. The modern professional benefits from these convenient meals, which provide healthy nutrition without the need for time-consuming cooking during busy days. Safety is verified through X-ray technology, which detects any unwanted materials, giving our customers peace of mind with every single purchase made. Vacuum packaging is the final step in our process, extending the shelf life of our products without the need for any preservatives. Efficiency is driven by automation, as our robotic systems handle the repetitive tasks that were once performed by manual labor for years. Global logistics are managed through this centralized dashboard, which provides us with the data needed to make informed decisions every single hour. Our delivery network operates around the clock, providing reliable service that ensures our healthy products are available whenever the customer needs them. Happy customers are our ultimate goal, and this seamless delivery process demonstrates how technology can truly enhance our daily lives and health. The scale of this operation is truly immense, yet every part is perfectly optimized to ensure quality, efficiency, and safety for all. Automation has allowed us to achieve consistent results, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of food manufacturing today. We only use the finest raw materials, ensuring that the base of our products meets the high standards our customers expect always. Refined and bottled with care, our GAC oil represents the pinnacle of natural supplements, produced with the help of advanced processing technology. Presentation is just as important as quality, and our robotic systems ensure that every product looks as good as it tastes today. Data-driven management ensures that we always have enough stock to meet demand, preventing shortages and maintaining a smooth supply chain flow daily. The dawn of a new era in logistics is here, with drones revolutionizing how we receive products directly to our own homes. Every delivery is a promise kept, bringing healthy and nutritious food to your doorstep with the efficiency of modern, automated logistics systems. From the initial harvest to the final delivery, we have created a seamless process that defines the future of global food production. The success of this operation relies on the dedication of our team and the power of the technology we have implemented here. We have transformed a simple fruit into a variety of high-quality products, proving that innovation can truly elevate traditional ingredients for everyone. Harmony between technology and food is the secret to our success, creating products that are both healthy and accessible to all people. Our facility is a testament to what is possible when we embrace modern technology to improve the way we produce our food. Quality and purity are the cornerstones of our brand, and we work tirelessly to ensure that our products meet those high standards. With the final package sealed, our work is done, and the product is ready to begin its journey to your home kitchen. As the sun sets, our drones continue to fly, ensuring that every customer receives their order exactly when they need it daily. Thank you for watching Mass Production Marvels. where we bring the future of industrial production directly to your screens every single week.
Explore more of our content